How's it going, everyone? Welcome to Ginny Arts. I'm Ginny, and wow, it's been a while since I did a voiceover, and I'm really sorry for that. Lately I've been on and off with the drawing videos, and it's because I have some side projects that take quite a bit of time, and I don't have as much time left for drawing and, well, for editing and for everything else. So yeah, I decided to make a bit of a change to this channel. I know it's been oriented towards drawing, and right now I think I mentioned it before in one of my videos that I am learning to tattoo, and basically right now I realized that I really need to put a lot of work into it because I took a bit of a break on that, and basically I have to relearn everything. So in order to save time and maybe interest some of you guys, I decided to start orienting this channel towards tattooing. By that I mean I will upload my tattooing journey every week. I may add some stories from the tattooing journey or from something else. And as you can see in this video, today I'm showing you some of the, well, practice goes with tattooing that I did, and these ones are for the first time after about 3 or 4 months, so I'm pretty rough with it, so don't judge me too hard. I'm not a professional by no means, so please do not try to learn from these videos, as in don't learn from my technique. I only do this in order to practice myself, and well, in the future I am planning to make tutorials on tattooing maybe, once I feel that I'm good enough with it. For now I'm just practicing on fake skin. I'll leave the link in the description below. This is reelskin. It's one of the best that I've tried. I really recommend it. Many artists say it's one of the best. So if anything, link in the description where you can buy it. Also, I wanted to add that for now, well, continuing my thought, for now I'm gonna work on fake skin, and I'm planning to transition on working on clients in the nearest future, so I'll make sure to add some videos of this. If you have any questions, any, I don't know, ideas, anything you'd like to see that's related to tattooing and anything, just basically, if you have a topic that you want me to cover, please let me know in the description. What do you think of this change? I'm sorry for everyone who's hoping for drawing videos. I will upload those from time to time, but it's gonna be quite rare. I'm still focusing on learning, on improving my own drawing skills, so for now I'm just trying to improve my tattooing skills as well and take you on my journey take you alongside me on this journey. So yeah, if you enjoy this video and if you enjoy this content, please leave a like, subscribe. Also, thank you for everyone who has been watching my videos. It means a lot to me. Sorry for not putting as much out as I promised in the early days. I'm planning to get back to it, and I'm planning to upload multiple times a week. I know I've said it quite a few times, but I'm working on it. I'll also reveal some side projects in a few months, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, thank you once again. I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video, and I'll see you guys next week.